Welcome back, Hex Tribe. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the top 7 ways to buy PulseChain or PLS token. These are the top easiest and fastest methods, but if one of these methods doesn't work for you due to the country you live in or something else, well, one of these 7 methods is going to work. And also, if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to explain to you a really quick method to tell you how you know if you're actually getting a good deal or if you can get more bang for your buck elsewhere. So stick around till the end, but also in the meantime, before we go any farther, I just want to assume that everybody has a MetaMask wallet. If you don't already have MetaMask, guys, that's your key to crypto in general. Go to metamask.io, link in description below. If you don't already have this wallet, download the wallet, set it up, because no matter which one of these methods you pick, you're going to have to be sending all of your PLS coins from wherever you bought them into your MetaMask wallet. Okay, I can't stress this enough. No matter where you buy your PLS tokens from, they should be ending up in your MetaMask wallet at the end of the day because you own the private keys to that. And as the saying goes in crypto, not your keys, not your coins. Let's get right into it. Number 1 is called OKX.com. That's OKX.com. All these links are in the description below, but really this is only good for if you don't live in the USA. Maybe you live in Asia. I know it's more popular in Asia. You just make an account at this exchange, buy PLS, and send it to your MetaMask wallet. Similarly, method number 2 is Kanga Exchange. That's kanga.exchange, K-A-N-G-A. Again, this one is primarily in the European Union, so better for Europeans, not so good for Americans. Yes, of course, you can always use a VPN, but that's up to you, and use that at your own risk, okay? Now you can see here, they offer PLS and even HEX and a lot of other coins. You can buy them directly from here, but as always, guys, make sure after you purchase on a centralized exchange like OKX or Kanga, that you are sending the PLS that you buy on here back to your MetaMask account so that you actually own the PLS and that these exchanges don't get hacked and you won't lose all your money. Number 3 is called Guardian.com. Now, Guardian.com is very interesting because if you're an app developer, these guys actually have a fiat on and off ramp that you can partner with them and you can integrate these guys into your website if you're an app developer yourself. Now, if you just want to buy PLS like most people, just go to their homepage, and again, it can't be in the USA, but, VPNs do exist. Unrelated topic, VPNs exist, but you can also buy PulseChain using euros or US dollars or whatever. Just search for PulseChain in this field right here. So easy. Boom, you send, let's say 300 euros or US dollars, and you go ahead and buy it this way. Now, again, this is not technically for people within the USA, but it offers different payment methods like Visa, Mastercard, Revolut, or Google Pay. These are all very common payment methods, so you might find one of these more convenient. Number 4, we've got letsexchange.io. Now, letsexchange.io is a great website because it's anonymous, no registration, and it gives you a lot more freedom than anything else. Now, the 2 main websites that have implemented the letsexchange.io widget are gopulse.com and pulseonramp.com. That's plsonramp.com and gopulse.com. Either of these websites are going to take you directly to a widget that already has PLS populated in this field for you, so you don't have to do any thinking at all. You just decide how much Ethereum you want to spend for PLS, and you can buy it that way. Again, that's gopulse.com/buy or plsonramp.com. Links in description below. And again, there's low fees, non-custodial, meaning there's no centralized exchange, and it's fully anonymous. There's no KYC or AML, and it works in the USA, so this is a very popular option for a lot of people. Coming in at number 5, we've got ETH2PLS.com. Now, this is mainly only good for if you want to be exchanging a tiny little bit of Ethereum for PLS, basically just for gas fees. So let's say you have some free tokens from the PulseChain airdrop that you were holding in your MetaMask wallet, but you don't have any PLS to pay for gas or transaction fees. Well, you can send up to 0.11 Ethereum and receive, the equal number of Pulse directly on the PulseChain blockchain. So there's no bridging here. It all is seamless and happens within under 2 minutes. But the only caveat is that for larger amounts, it's not going to work. You need to make sure that the maximum Ethereum that you're spending is 0.11 Ethereum. They don't allow any more than that. So again, even though this is really easy and convenient, it's typically only for people that need gas money, quick and easy. Number 6 is ChangeNow. ChangeNow is a lot like Let's Exchange, okay? ChangeNow.io is now listing PLS, and it's really fast and easy, non-custodial, like free of custody, right? Simple and fast. So you can go to the ChangeNow website, or what's even easier is you can go to buypls.app, which, like the previous websites, they just integrated a ChangeNow widget on the website, so it auto-populates PLS right there. And so you can just decide how much Ethereum do you want to spend for Pulse. in addition to any of the other cryptocurrencies that they offer. I should mention that that's true for these websites as well. If you want to use these widgets, it doesn't have to be Ethereum. You could swap Monero, Zcash, AVAX, whatever coins you have. Swap them directly for PLS, trustlessly, with anonymity, no KYC. So buypls.app is another great option, which integrates, again, ChangeNow. And this lets people buy quickly, efficiently. And this one, depending on where you're at, will even let you buy and sell crypto using a credit or debit card, assuming you don't have crypto already. Now, again, this might depend on the jurisdiction you're in, and it might not be so easy if you don't live in the USA, but these are very fast and seamless, okay? There's also Now Payments, which I feel like I should mention. This is a sub-company of ChangeNow. Now Payments actually allows you as a merchant to accept PLS and every other cryptocurrency for your store. So if you're an entrepreneur in the PulseChain ecosystem and you're thinking about accepting PLS or HEX or some of these other cryptocurrencies in exchange for goods and services, NowPayments.io might be a good idea to integrate into your business or whatever it is. And going along with this ChangeNow.io, I really want you guys to bookmark this website. And it's going to be one of the best methods to buy PLS, period. It's called PortalXSwap.io. If you don't already have this bookmarked, bookmark it now. You can literally buy Pulse using any other coin on any other blockchain. Okay, so let's say I wanted to buy PLS with Polygon, with Matic from Polygon. I can go ahead and do that, and as we can see, it's routing through ChangeNow on the back end. Now, in the future, these guys are going to add awesome features like limit orders and more bridges, and a lot more stuff is in the pipeline for them. Okay, so you're going to want to keep an eye on PortalXSwap.io. And finally, number 7, guys, this is going to be the easiest method to buy PLS, and it doesn't exist yet, but I want you to bookmark it because it's going to be out very, very soon. ZeroXCoast.com is issuing the world's first native stablecoin on PulseChain, meaning that as an American in the USA, you can link your bank account and buy a stablecoin that goes directly into your MetaMask wallet on the PulseChain network in under 2 minutes, and it's seamless, and your bank connects instantly using Plaid. I've tried it on the Ethereum side. It's awesome. But right now, it's only in beta, and the PulseChain side of things is coming very, very soon. It's going to be just a matter of weeks. So this is going to be where you're going to want to go, especially if you want to buy Pulse using dollar amounts of, let's say, thousands of dollars. Larger orders are going to be handled by ZeroXCoast.com. Keep an eye on this. And guys, as a little Easter egg right here, I know a lot of people use MetaMask Wallet. MetaMask Wallet is very good and safe, but there is another option if you don't like MetaMask. And if you want to use Reabby Wallet, go to Reabby.io because they also support PulseChain. They don't let you buy PulseChain on the wallet, but they support PulseChain and they make it really easy for you to switch networks and to do a lot of things that MetaMask might not. So you can download this as a Chrome extension or for desktop, and there's a mobile app coming soon if you want. But they boast a superior multi-chain experience and some more security options that MetaMask doesn't have. Now, I don't care if you download this wallet or not. I still use MetaMask. But this is just a little nice to have in case you need a backup wallet for whatever reason. That's also non-custodial, where you own your own private keys. So thanks for sticking till the end. Now, of course, the last final question is, how do you know if you're getting a good deal or which one of these methods is going to be getting you the best deal? Well, you want to calculate it like this. Okay, you want to go to DexScreener.com. This is DexScreener.com, and you click on the PulseChain section over here in the left-hand side. Then you go to the ETH PLS pair right here, okay, where it says WETH/WPLS. Click on that. Scroll down and ask yourself right here on this calculator, if I were to spend 1 Ethereum, how much PLS could I get? Click on PLS down here in the corner. And today, spending 1 Ethereum could get me approximately 20 million PLS. All right, now this is the cheapest rate you can get it at because you're buying PLS on the decentralized exchange PulseX itself. The rates are not going to be cheaper anywhere else. So you need to ask yourself, if 1 Ethereum gets me 20 million PLS on here, but I go to this website, let's say, and 1 Ethereum only gets me 19,436,000, well, that's a little bit of a worse deal. So a lot of these exchanges that I just showed you take a small fee, typically 4%, sometimes up to 10%. So what you need to ask yourself is you need to do the math and say, what's this number of PulseChain that they're giving me divided by the ideal number of PulseChain that I could get on the DEX, divided by this number. You'll see 0.966. That means you're paying about a 3.4% fee. So the question you need to ask yourself is a 3.4% fee fair? And how are you going to know the answer? Well, if you do it the harder way, and I made a video about the real official way to buy PulseChain, click on the link above if you missed that. And although this way is a little bit more complex, it involves a 4-step process of going from an exchange into MetaMask and then bridging and then buying on PulseX. Okay, it's a 4-step process. But with that more difficult process of buying PLS, you're paying 2 Ethereum gas fees. Now, Ethereum gas fees are expensive, but 2 Ethereum gas fees today might cost, $20 to $30 on a bad day. So you need to ask yourself, is 3% fees, is paying 3% of a fee going to be more than the cost of 2 gas fees? Okay, and that's how you know if you're getting a good deal or not. Go see what the fee is by doing some simple division and say, okay, this website, for example, I'm paying 3.4%, but 3.4% of what's one Ethereum, $1,800, 3.4% is $61. So really, I'm taking a hidden $61 fee. So you need to ask yourself, will the gas fees from doing it in the original way, go see my previous video, if you want to do it in that way, and the gas fees are not greater than $61, well, then it's actually cheaper to do it the harder way, and you'll get a better deal. Or maybe you don't even care. Maybe you just care about efficiency and you're willing to pay a little bit of a higher fee for an easier, less complicated way of buying PLS. So that's the secret when it comes to buying PLS. Right now, there are 7 major ways to buy. All the links in the description below, bookmark them all. One of them is going to work for you. Depending on where you're at, what country you live in, especially if you're in the USA, you want to keep an eye on, Let's Exchange and ChangeNow, PortalXSwap, and especially 0x Coast, along with websites like gopulse.com. So my 3 favorite to repeat for USA are gopulse.com, portalxswap.io, and very soon it's going to be 0xcoast.com. And if you're in another country, well, you've got plenty more options because right now the USA is really pooping the bed when it comes to crypto regulations. So if this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the video, share it, and leave a comment because all this stuff helps the YouTube algorithm. And guess what, guys? It helps you pump your own bags. The more people that find out how to buy PLS, how to buy HEX, how to buy PulseX, the more all these prices pump when the bull market comes back. So do the work now, and we can all enjoy the bull run together in 2024 and 2025. I'll see you on the next one.